Find the values of angle theta and angle x, if alpha equals the product of 3 and theta divided by 5. Label A, B, C, D and E. Join line AC. Triangle AEC is an isosceles triangle. It implies that l'angole A, C equals Y equals angole CA. It is because the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. Thus, the sum of 2 times y and 150 degrees equals 180 degrees. Thus, y equals to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees all divided by 2 equals 15 degrees. From triangle ADC, the sum of 15 degrees, theta, 15 degrees, alpha and x equals to 180 degrees. Combine like terms and simplify. We have that the sum of theta and alpha equals 150 degrees minus x. We call it equation 1. From triangle ABC, the sum of 2 times theta, 15 degrees, 2 times alpha, 15 degrees, and 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Simplify and we have that the product of 2 and the sum of theta and alpha plus 30 degrees equals 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, which equals 70 degrees. We call it equation 2. Substitute equation 1 into equation 2. It implies that open bracket, multiply out and simplify. We have that 300 degrees minus 2 times x plus 30 degrees equal to 70 degrees. Combine like terms and rearrange terms. We have that the product of 2 and x equals 300 degrees plus 30 degrees minus 70 degrees equals 260 degrees. It signify that 2 times x equals 260 degrees. Divide the equation by 2. Thus, x equals 260 degrees divided by 2, which equals to 130 degrees. Therefore, x equals to 130 degrees. For solution to question 2. Given that alpha equals the product of 3 and theta all divided by 5. Substituted in equation 1. For the sum of theta and alpha equals 150 degrees minus x. This implies that the sum of theta and 3 times theta divided by 5 equals 20 degrees. Simplify and we have that 8 times theta all divided by 5 equals 20 degrees. Multiply the equation by 5 divided by 8. Thus, theta equals 20 degrees times 5 divided by 8, which equals 12.5 degrees. Therefore, theta equals 12.5 degrees.